Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lal, to deliver the convocation address.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Shri Deepak Kumar Behera ji, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of the University, Shri Pitba Sahu ji, dignitaries, celebrities, the excellence, the elegance and the shining India. Well, Rigveda says about them, you are the blooming flowers of the earth. You are the twinkling stars in the sky. You are the divine light within. And you are the sustainer of the eternal moral values. My supreme namaskar to all of you. For all of us, it is a historic moment of unfading pleasure, unmixed pleasure, immense pleasure. Once I rise to welcome the two great international personalities, Mr. Satyas Tripathi ji, Mr. Upendra Tripathi ji, who have joined us as the Chancellor and the Pro-Chancellor of the University. I express my deep gratitude of their benign and graceful presence on this august occasion. The iconic presence of Shri Girish Chandra Murmu, Shri Savarup Ranjan Mishra ji, and Shri Vibhu Mahapatra ji has made this occasion providential. As far as Dr. Achyuta Samant, the parliamentarian, is concerned, he has measured his life with the cups of coffee. His life is a convocation in itself. If I try to sum up his achievements, I would say, अपनी सुबह के सूरज उगाता हूं खुद, चिरागों के सहारे मैं कभी जीता नहीं. अपनी सुबह के सूरज उगाता हूं खुद, मैं चिरागों के सहारे कभी जीता नहीं. The founder, the mentor, the dispenser of the two universities, Kalinga Institute of Transcendence, Kalinga Institute of Sincerity and Sensitivity, Silence and Stillness, now opens up new vistas of a new world, a new horizon, new dimensions, one truth, one reality, one force. A university just like a feather of a peacock crowning the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, a university which is first of its kind in the entire world, the tribal university, the universities of resurrection, the universities of resurgence, the university of rejubilation, promising us to bring down beauty, light, and peace, which are hovering in the sky, eagerly awaiting to come down on earth. As far beauty is concerned, in the words of the scientist Sri Ramanujam, zero, God, and infinity are interrelated the way the university and universe and the universal man are connected. In the words of peace, you can say, in the words of Einstein, it is E equal to mc square. हकीकत एक है हर शय की, नूरी हो या आसमानी. लहू खुर्शीद का टपके, अगर दिल जर्रे का भी दिल चीरे. You cut open the heart of even the simplest, smallest particle. Sun weeps tears of blood, whether the particle belongs to the earth or belongs to the heavens. And as far as the light is concerned, the master of quantum mechanics, Irving, says that if you go on unfurling, unfolding, unraveling the astronomical technological advances, you will come to the Vedantic philosophy, Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi. Thou art, thou art, thou art, tu hi hai, tu hi hai, tu hi hai. In the words of philosopher, I should say that as far as beauty is concerned, in the words of Akhandanand, It is a journey from egocentrism to geocentrism. As far as peace is concerned, in the words of Osho, you can say it is a journey from sense gratification to self-realization. And as far as the light is concerned, so many philosophers of the world say Buddha, Mahavira, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bhagwan, Krishna, etc. Everybody has spoken that self is the light. The life you lead conceals the light you are. Maharishi Arvinda. Yajvalakya says self is the light. Well, as far as light is concerned, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Bhagwan Krishna ko preyasi bana lijiye. What does it mean? It simply means that karam yajna, sacrifice the action. Karam ko akarm bana lena, as if you are not the doer, non-attached attachment it is. It is in fact sustaining and abstaining. That is what a tribal is. He sustains and rather abstains. He dissolves completely himself for the sake of the others. Uska religion, uski philosophy, uska dharma, uski jati. Ananya rasik, love, laughter and splendor is his jatis. Everything he believes in material nature and spiritual nature both. Physics and metaphysics both. He is for totally Sarvatra Krishna. सब जगह प्रभु जगन्नाथ को देखने वाला ही ट्राइबल है, इसलिए उसके जीवन में पराविद्या एंड अपराविद्या, सेंटिएंट नॉलेज, इनसेंटिएंट नॉलेज, फिजिकल नॉलेज, न्यूमिनस नॉलेज, both these are interrelated, both these are connected with him. Very simply he says, respect all, love all, and give help to all, serve all. सबको प्यार करो, सबको स्वीकार करो, सबको सम्मान करो. In the words of Honorable Prime Minister of India, a tribal is one, you see, who goes with a flower pot in our hands, emitting fragrance to the dead, the dove and dragons, to the ether, earth, air, water, fire, mind, intelligence, ego. It gives fragrance to all. These tribal people are devoid of, you see, false ego, false prestige, false association, false proprietorship, false association. They don't know what is suicide, what is rape, what is murder, what is abortion. They are devoid of feudalistic instincts. They are devoid of egoistic calculations. They are devoid of the glitter of intellectual designs. The words you can say caste, creed, color, cunningness, cleverness, conspiracies, corruption, complaints, comparison, competition, political clumsiness, strategies, diplomacies, impotence, indolence, inertia, inactivity, impurity have no place in their humble and simple world where they are living. So as far as how should I wish that this world should be tribal centric? Everybody born, when he is born, he is more or less a tribalist. Tribal people has given us this Prabhu Jagannatha, you see, whom everybody worships in the world. The entire world, you see, worships him. So in this Corona has also taught us that everybody is born, everybody is a tribal, you see. One has got to be tribal if this tiny speck of cosmos is to be saved. Even Rama had to say, in Ramayana, Rama had to say, Anuj Raj Sampati Vaidehi Deha Geha Parivar Sanehi, छोटा भाई हो, पत्नी हो, राज्य हो, अंपायर हो, देह हो, मेरा शरीर है, मकान है, परिवार है, संबंधी हैं, जितने भी सब लोग हैं, सब मम प्रिय पर तुम नहीं तुम ही समाना. Everybody is dear to me, darling to me. But as far as you people are concerned, purification of the heart, absolute, unallied devotion to me, seek refuge in me. You unite with me, live in me, live with me, live for me. You turn towards me. Well, that is what Lord Krishna wants, and that is what the tribal university stands for. As far as I think, in the times to come, ages will not, they are withered, stale. This university and this university will stand as a beacon light to those persons who are clamoring for expansionism, who are clamoring for global warming, who are clamoring for global terrorism, etc. You see, all these things are there. But these things can only be eliminated, provided in this world, everybody is there for Ma Shucha hai, tum shok mat karo. That is what Lord Krishna says. And that is what the tribal universities, students will speak to the world at large, to the humanity at large, you see. They are open, they are frank, they are equal, they are generous, they are kind, souls ethereal, firmament they are, vibrations of love, spreading, all pervading consciousness and light, bliss and love, truth and peace. That is dwelling in their hearts. That is what a tribal is. That is what I think. In the end, I would like to conclude like this, see, that चिरागों का कोई मकान नहीं होता, जिधर जाएगा रोशनी करेगा. मुझे आपने इस अवसर पर बुलाया, फर्स्ट कन्वोकेशन of the first tribal university and rather of in the entire world. I am very much thankful to this my alien friend who is not from this world. Any words cannot describe his personality, you see, magnetic personality. Wherever he goes, he spreads light, love, laughter, supplenger. That is what the beauty, peace and light of this my Dr. Achyutya Samanth is. May God bless him. May Lord Prabhu Jagannatha be always with him. Thank you very much for inviting me to address this first convocation of the first tribal university in the entire world. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Vande Utkal Janni. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.